and that's my decoration, and I'm going to show you what I draw there. Okay, subscribers, look. Here I draw an owl which says ooh ooh, and here I colored Dinglu's house, which is my name, and house I haven't colored. So I'm going to show the solar system. Okay, this is going to be the exciting part. Do you know this video is so long because I cannot stop saying things about space, because I know lots of things about space, and this video, I'm so excited to tell you about our star called the sun. And the sun is gas. It's gas. Yeah. And do you know actually sun is not yellow? Yeah. And sun, right, it's actually white color. I brought it yellow, so yeah, I brought it yellow for fun. And do you know how do we see sun is yellow? Can I tell you? The sun, right, it has the rainbow color there that we cannot see. It's invisible. Then, right, when it comes to Earth, right, when it comes to Earth, the yellow, the violet and blue part is in the side of the yellow. Then the yellow rises to Earth. That's how the sun you have been seeing yellow. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you about Mercury, the first planet. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you about it. I only know one fact about it, so I'm going to tell you that fact. Okay, do you know Mercury is the closest one? And I know that another fact about Mercury, which is, do you know Mercury is not the hottest planet, but Venus is. Yeah, and that's all I know about Mercury. And I'm going to tell you about Venus. Do you know Venus also have rain? Do you know what rain is it? Acid. Yeah, definitely. And yeah, Venus has lots of volcanoes. Yeah, and it's the hottest one ever. And now I'm going to tell you about Earth, where we live, right? I know Earth don't look the same as our own Earth, because I tried my best to draw like the photo, and but I didn't do it because Earth was much bigger than Venus. Yeah, like that. And I don't know facts about Earth, but still I'm going to tell you here. You know what's this? It's not a booger, right? It's not a booger. It's the asteroid belt. Yeah, this is a rock, an asteroid, and it's right whole in the solar system. And Ceres is an asteroid. It's a dwarf planet also. So, and I'm going to start with the giant planets. I know, right? Mars is not a giant planet, but do you know Mars, right? Yeah, Mars had water before, and now it doesn't have. A long time ago it had, and now it doesn't. Yeah. I forgot to draw the moon, so then I'm going to talk about the giant planets. Look at Jupiter, right? I don't know any facts about Jupiter, but still I'm going to move with Saturn. I'm going to tell you facts about Saturn. I'm going to tell you how the rings form. And one more big news that you'll be surprised of: Saturn. Saturn has 81 moons. Can you believe that? Yeah, and now let's go back to Saturn's rings. You know how did Saturn's ring form? So many dust rocks and ice. That's how Saturn's ring formed. Do you know why I draw Uranus? Now I'm going to move to Uranus. I draw Uranus like this because Uranus is supposed to be like that. And I'm going to tell you some disgusting facts about Uranus. It smells like rotten egg. Such a disgusting smell, right? And do you know what is the most nicest thing about Neptune, right? It's in the core, right? The core is not really hot, but still it has diamonds in it. I'm sure we cannot survive there. And next, we are going to go to the dwarf planet. I'm going to tell you their names. This is Pluto. Yeah, I really like Pluto because I miss. Yeah, one more thing, okay? Don't go to the Kuiper Belt, but you can go to the asteroid belt where Ceres lives. And Pluto, you cannot go to the Kuiper Belt, which also has stones. I forgot to draw the stones. And do you know why it's not safe there? You can go, but if you go there, right, you won't be able to go back to Earth, our planet. And yeah, I know that much facts about Pluto. Do you know why I wrote this great thing? Because Pluto have a circle in the side here. And now I'm going to move to Ceres, the asteroid there, in the asteroid belt. I don't know any facts about it, but do you know, right? Ceres, right? It's dark, but it has bright spots and stuff like that. And I'm going to go to Makemake. Can I tell you some very funny news about it? I'm going to tell you that two persons, right? They call Makemake the Easter Bunny. That's very funny, right? And I don't know facts about it. One fact about Makemake, I forgot. That I didn't forgot it, but I forgot to tell you, right? So I'm going to tell you that do you know Makemake have no atmosphere and like that. Do you know? I want to tell you some nice news about Pluto. I forgot to say that news, so I'm going to tell you it now. Pluto, right? It has red snow and white snow. That's it. And I'm going to tell you one more about Pluto. Pluto has a moon called Charon. It's the closest one and the biggest moon. Yeah, Haumea, right? Next, move to Haumea. Next stop, Haumea. Yeah, it's like that. And do you know Haumea, right? It's the fastest dwarf planet that orbits the sun, right? And I don't know facts about it, but I know it has rings like Saturn, but it's like this. You cannot see it. It's right here on top of there, but it's not like Saturn. Off to Eris. Do you know Eris, right? Eris. I don't know facts about it, but still. And can I tell you how do comets form first? I don't know facts about Eris, so I'm going to tell you about the comets. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you how a comet forms. First, an asteroid, right? Go near the sun, right? Then it gets little fire, then it become like this. Then it like that. Yeah. If you know, right, shooting stars are actually not shooting stars. It's actually meteoroids. Yeah. You know, lots of meteoroids, right? It's shooting stars, but it's not called a shooting star. Shooting stars doesn't exist, but it's still called a shooting star. And meteoroids, you know, meteoroids, right? Lots of shooting stars coming. It's meteoroid rain. It's so funny, okay? And oh, subscribers, I really forgot to tell you something. A black hole, right? It sucks everything. And you know what's the opposite of a black hole? It's called a white hole. White hole, right? Pushes everything back to space and like that. And I forgot to say something else. Do you know Kepler, known as Super Earth? You know, where can we find Kepler? We can find it in the Goldilocks zone, and yeah. Kepler is twice bigger than Earth, but it's the same, but it's twice bigger. And yeah, the sun is twice bigger than our own sun. Yeah. And I forgot to say something. It's a planet called Rose. It's also twice bigger than Earth. It's also known as Super Earth. Yeah. And bye bye. Oh yeah. Next stop, we are going inside my house. Right, because now we are inside I want to tell you something, okay? Do you know who built this house? I didn't build it on my own, but my mom did. She got this idea and I thought it was going to be the house that we all live in. But still, this is my bed, right? It's a playhouse. Look inside, right? There's nothing, but it's a little cozy bed. Yeah. When I have a puppy, I can bring it inside and I can sleep with it. It's so nice sleeping with a puppy, okay? And since I have toy puppies in there, I don't sleep in here, but I only sit in here.